Now, when I was a little boy, I liked to make funny noises. Now that I'm a big boy, I still like making funny noises. When I was a little boy, Mama said to me, don't make funny noises in front of company. It was very hard not to, 'cause you see, I like funny noises naturally. Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you?
Hey, you know what, Thomas? Maybe the kids could do the boo part with us.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go bang, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, and then we're all gonna go boo. Let's try it.
Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? I like to make a noise with my kazoo. Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? And I also like to pretend I can do a chicken noise, like this. Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Sandy,
Yes, Thomas.
do you have a suggestion?
Oh, I would love to see you do a cat.
A cat?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Do you have another one, Sandy?
Oh, how about a monkey?
A monkey?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo! I like funny noises, how about you? Do you have another one, Sandy?
Okay, so sometimes when we're doing live concerts, kids come up with really interesting animals. And one time, I remember someone asked for a moose.
A
A
moose?
moose.
A moose?
You know what a moose sounds like, Thomas?
I think I do. All right. orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo. I like funny noises. How about you? Do you have another one, Sandy?
Well, I remember another time someone asked you to do a seal.
A seal?
A seal.
Okay.
You remember?
I think I remember. Let's see now. Oh, yeah. There was a fisherman who taught me how to do it. I remember that. Cape Breton. Okay. Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo. I like funny noises. How about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo. I like funny noises. How about you?
Okay, how about Thomas, you pick one. This will be our last one.
Okay, let's see. I could do, oh, I know somebody out there mentioned a lion, so I'm gonna try a lion. Ooh, roar, 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 row, 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 row. Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo. I like funny noises. How about you? Bing, bang, orangutan, boing-a, boing-a, boo. I like funny noises. How about you?
Good job. Give yourselves a big hand.
All right. Tweet, 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 tweet. So, the first place I went to see the birds, to listen to them sing, was the park. Off to the park I did go. I looked up high and I looked down low. And what do you think I did see? Saw a crow looking at me. Saw a crow looking at me. I said to Mr. Crow, I said, Mr. Crow, can you please sing tweet, tweet, tweet for me? Well, you know what the crow said? First of all, he looked at me like this. Thomas, crows do not sing tweet, tweet, tweet. No. Crows sing caw, caw, caw. Sing caw with us, okay? Here we go. Caw, 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 caw. Caw, 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 caw. Caw, 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 caw. Caw, caw, caw. Okay, Mr. Crow, I need to go someplace else. Oh, I know where. I'll go to the pond. Off to the pond I did go. I looked up high and I looked down low. And what do you think I did see? Saw a duck looking at me. Saw a duck looking at me. I said, Mrs. Duck, can you please sing me tweet, tweet, tweet? Well, the duck, she looked at me like this. She went, which means, Thomas, ducks do not sing tweet, tweet, tweet. Ducks sing quack, quack, quack. Sing it with us. Put your duck wings first. Everybody, you got them? Here we go. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, Mrs. Duck, I have to go to the forest. Yeah. Off to the forest I did go. I looked up high and I looked down low. And what do you think I did see? Saw an owl looking at me. Saw an owl looking at me. Mr. Owl, I said, can you please sing tweet, tweet, tweet? Well, the owl, he looked at me with his big owl eyes like this. And he went, oh, Thomas, owls do not sing tweet, tweet, tweet. No, owls sing hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay, everybody, show me your owl eyes like this. Yeah, okay, you have them? Okay. And don't forget, sing it with us. Here we go. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay, Mr. Owl. I can't find any bird that sings tweet, tweet, tweet for me. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back to my house. And that's exactly what I did. I went back to my house. I sat down in a chair underneath a big blue spruce tree. And I said to myself, I said, when I was a little boy, my mommy and daddy, they said, Tommy, that's what they called me when I was a little boy, Tommy. They said, Tommy, you know that cows go moo, dogs go woof woof, and birds go tweet tweet tweet? I said, yeah, but I can't find a bird that goes tweet tweet tweet. I wonder if my mom and dad were wrong about that one. Oh, well. When all of a sudden, I heard tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, I guess my mom and dad weren't wrong about that one. Okay. But wait a sec. Sandy,
Yeah.
what kind of bird was that?
Oh, that was a song sparrow.
A song sparrow?
Yeah.
Well, okay, how come song sparrows sing tweet, tweet, tweet?
Yes.
How come the other birds don't sing tweet, tweet, tweet? I thought all birds sang tweet, tweet, tweet.
Each bird has its own song, Thomas.
Yeah?
It's like people. Do people all over the world speak the same language?
No. Some people speak French, English, Urdu, Farsi, Arabic, Hebrew, Hindi, Portuguese, Spanish, Polish, German, Italian, Russian,
Chinese?
Chinese, Swahili,
Japanese?
Japanese, First Nations languages like here in Nova Scotia, Mi'kmaq, and there's sign language, and then there's thousands of more languages around the world. Oh, I know what you're trying to tell me. All those languages and all those beautiful songs, bird songs, have a place in our wonderful world that we all live in, my friends.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, let's do the little song sparrow.
Okay.
Okay, everybody show me a little tiny song sparrow wings like this. Okay, here we go. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, let's see the owl now. Show me the big owl eyes, everybody. You have them? Okay, get ready. Here we go. Hoo, 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 hoo. Okay, now the duck. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, now the big crow. Caw, 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 caw. And now the little song sparrow again. Okay, here we go, nice and soft. Tweet, 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 tweet. Very good, my friends, very good.